license gun and him said no. And Joshie said to him, say, you have bodyguard and him said no. And the man said, you have millions and him said no. And the man said, you're afraid. You think I joke something that Joshie attack? Why you think me can get up this morning and I relate to that? And every celebrity, every entertainer, every artist we're growing and get up can relate to that.
Wagwan people, one idea you hope everybody doing good. Respect for tuning in to another video. And up on the agenda today, Joshie breaks silence after interview with Entertainment Report. Yeah man, we also have Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel reacting to what was said in the interview. With that, we also have Foothype bigging up Joshie and basically expounding on the whole conversation that Joshie had with Anthony Miller and the ER. You see what I say? Stay tuned for the details. Much appreciated if you guys press on the like button. Follow me on Instagram at Dancehall Agenda. And if you're a new or a returning viewer, please consider subscribing. Yeah, yes, you get the latest news and reviews overall. So make sure to not miss out. So right now we're going to jump into the details. And most of you guys would have already known the whole thing surrounding Joshie and the interview he did with the Entertainment Report. If you guys is not aware, is not familiar about that topic, may I leave the link to the last video what me do in the description box. Click on it and get aware. Anyways, after the interview went viral, Joshie did take to his Instagram story page to make this post, and he must say, yo, sometimes you got to play the fool to fool the fool who thinks they are fooling you. And people, a lot of you guys just by hearing that statement would have already picture or get an understanding from what Joshie said right there. So even though a lot of people agree with what was said in the interview, persons like Anthony Miller thought that Joshie was drunk, basically from the moment that he was drinking. So what I'm getting from this post is that Joshie is saying that because them things here are rum talk, it's like when I said Tom drunk but Tom no fool. Something similar to that. But it's not that, it's that basically I say, yo, them feel like say I drunk, me drunk. But I just play the role to make them feel like say, yeah, I that a go on, but basically I talk the things them we need to be talk or the things that we need to be spoken because nobody not talk about it. That me basically I get from the poster with Joshie make. You see it, and yeah, a lot of people, with myself, agreeing with what was said, I just felt that based on the interview and Joshie being an uprising dancehall artist from the ghetto, it wasn't the time and place for it. But him say it already, it already gone out. Just hopeful them no pressure the youth feet. That's all me I beg the people, them the authorities, you see it. Yeah. But people, overall it was a good interview. As when me say, a lot of people agree with what was said. Even Bounty Killer, because Joshie also big up Bounty Killer and say your Bounty Killer ready to give the young youth them a collaboration, but some of the artists, them, the veteran artists, them, when they are foreign, now get the young youth them the exposure. So Anthony Miller not really if you talk about them anymore. If you talk about the young youth them, we are do it. So this is what Bounty posts. Boy, Joshie deal with ER Gashi, you know. Go check out the full interview with Anthony Miller. And him state, real and raw, the truth might hurt, but it works. And yeah, facts, you see it. And then in the comment section you have Shaggy, I make it known say a real talk, Charlie Blacks, and also Vybz Kartel. You see it, and Vybz Kartel reacting to the part where I say, yo, Bounty Killer ready for boss. I expose the young youth them, and that's why Vybz Kartel say, yo, that's Godzilla. I don't know the song where Kartel do with Bounty, the title the same way, but Vybz Kartel reacting to what Joshie say right there. So you see it, people. Yeah, and a lot of people I react to it. A lot of people I say facts. A lot of people I share them opinion and say, yo, I'm sure to say certain things when I'm saying at the interview. Is what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. If you haven't checked out the interview or piece of the interview or whatever, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Check out my last video. Is what I'm saying. Yeah, man, people. But right now, another person who reacted to it was Foothype, and then basically I big up Joshie on what was said. As what I say, a lot of people agree with what him say, especially the entertainers them, because them are the one who I go through it. I go through the same thing with Joshie I come through. I go through, yes, what I say, them in the struggles, them in the ghetto, them arise, them see certain things happen. You see what I say? And them feel the need to protect themselves. So most of the time, that's why enough of them get catch with illegal firearm. And a badness are just the protection. But right now, I'm going to check out what foot type of say on the whole matter. You see what I say? Yeah, man, remember to leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Yeah, run go over Instagram, go follow Dancehall Agenda. You see what I say? One word, can't miss it. Check out what go on.
Lice a gun and him said no. And Josh said to him, say, you have bodyguard, and him said no. And the man said, you have millions, and him said no. And the man said, you're afraid. You think I joke something that Josh here thought? Why you think me can get up this morning and I relate to that? And every celebrity, every entertainer, every artist we're growing and get up can relate to that. We were forced to handle illegal gun because we don't have no accessibility to the real one. The legal gun now, them now want to see we. And the pressure in the ghetto high. Because the illegal gun them full in there. And as a public figure in a ghetto a billion little status. Boy I want this year. Boy I want to rob you. Boy I want to kill your family them. Oh you gotta defend yourself. Oh, you defend yourself. And that me I try understand. Like some of them attackers who never live their life there yet, you know. Who never live their life there yet. Who don't know what it feel like to be a celebrity I come up. And everything in the community feel like a you. Them fi tear down or come rob or this. Oh, you gotta defend yourself. Oh. Only think it work. Cutlass, then doing Conil when two gunmen come out of your gate now. With one rifle and a matic. And you come out to the last, so what happened to you, brother? You got dead. Me I get a superstar. Me know it go. Joshy is a youth now rising I get to. Why you think him attack so? Him see it over and over and over again. You understand what I say? Who feels it knows. I want to man. Someone who just talk, I don't know. You think sometimes when you hear them say them catch an artist with a gun, a bad artist or a bad artist who are running a crime, are the hungry way the artists are going to survive. You know, you hear Josh say, you have to protect your own. And not sure if it did easier, forget a license firearm than go buy a illegal gun. You know, think say everybody, every artist who are involved in a gun thing and crime thing, you know, think say them would have go look for the license gun as opposing to buy a illegal one we might send you to prison. Make us speak with common sense now. So you know think say if an artist will make money and I get established, they able figure get him license gun as 1, 2, 3. Him now that go get that other than buy a illegal one and I try travel with it all over Jamaica and end up get caught by police and go to prison and mash up him career. But him not a choice. Cause either him run the risk or dead. Mika 1_7. That means you don't know nothing about license gun in Jamaica then. You cannot get license gun without passing the competence test. Competence test, you have to go at range, learn how to shoot properly, and learn how to angle the gun properly. So what you're saying is irrelevant to the conversation because you cannot get a license gun without doing the competence test. So for you, even show that out there is not making any sense. We not say if you make a gun, possibly you just walk in or somewhere, there are processes to do it. But I'm saying in Jamaica, the process is prejudice. Because if you're not uptown, or if you know, I work for security firm or something, a hell if you get gun in Jamaica. And people cliche your thing. And because you're an artist and you sing gunman song, them no want give you no gun. When that is entertainment, that means you're not forgetting a movie star and a gun then. You're not forgetting an actor and a gun then. Then you're not shoot people, man. And I kill too much people and I bomb a place. You know, if you give them no gun neither. Your job description of you stop you from get gun. Everybody if you get gun. Everybody. Yeah, everybody if you have gun. Everybody if you have gun. Everybody, once you're a law-abiding citizen, no conviction, run your fingerprint, run your thing, and you're good, go get your gun. To all them run license gun thing in Jamaica, the hardest thing for all a garrison youth get a gun. Hardest thing. So he must protect himself. Or he must protect his family. Or he must stop a gunman from box down his grandmother. Or he must stop a gunman from hold his sister and rape her off. Or he must do that. People have to start look upon the reality and stop look upon coward style, you see me? You understand? We have to stop look upon the coward thing, and the government is so corrupted that them can't do the right thing. All of them see the right thing for do, them can't do it. Because them corrupt, them want to make a bag of money after you getting a license gun. Them want to know say them friend and them link alone of it. And them give the little doodle boy them the gun them, and no man, you have to level the playing field. That's the crime rate now got drop. Level the playing field. Make gun accessible to everybody. Every single soul. Do that and see if the crime rate not drop by 50. By the time, alright, say Andrew announced that today. If Andrew announced that today, let me see what time now. If Andrew announced that today in a Jamaica, now at 10:17. If Andrew announced this 12:17, so once you have a driver's license and no conviction, you are eligible to get your license gun. And see if crime rate not drop by 50% by 12:17 right now. Just believe me. If gunman ever know sick, every single person we see on the road liable to have a gun on them and can kill you and gas station and get away because you try to rob them. Gunman change. And even so, on the other hand, Zine, on the other hand, Zine, watch this now on the other hand. Every youth, the next generation of youth, would have think different. Zine, the next generation of youth would have think different. You know why? A youth don't want to have a criminal charge or a criminal conviction. Because it couldn't be based on charge, because anybody can get charged. Whether it goes so or not goes so. We are talking about conviction now. No youth now go want have no conviction on them record. Because every youth that go want can go for them license gonna have them thing on them waist. In Florida me live in now. Me see it happen every day now. You know much man have hate one another and like one another, but then cannot war with each other. Because the two of them have gone. Because enough of the bad man them want to say Jamaica a big coward, you know. If you did have a gun when them come face you with for them gun, you know, nothing happening, you know, because them not take on nobody. I be now look killing them though. And when people in them bed asleep, and when people not see them and them stay behind fence and shot, man, and be a foolishness, you know. I tell you that, you know. Enough boy won't have as bad boy will make how much duppy. Just go look how them duppy make a pay unarmed people them kill. Them never in a real shootout with the next gunman yet. Real hot-head gunman where I beat it off of them and them no win no gun battle. I pay innocent coward now look people them kill. You understand? Wait till you play domino, them come shot you. Wait till you asleep, them burn down your house, you run out, them shoot you. Pay foolishness. Level the playing field. Level the playing field. Andrew only say you need glasses for see this. You cannot curtail crime. You know the commissioner and nobody. That's why you hear Josh say. You cannot stop crime. Me cannot stop crime. The police cannot stop crime because them too corrupt. You go and you call police, gunman rob you, whatever. Gunman get locked up and I go to court. And the police same one, I tell the gunman who make the report and who make the call. You're there yard and dead. You have to arms the people them. You have to arms the people them.